Hey keto people, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today I'm showing you how to make one of my favorite keto side dishes, cauliflower mushroom risotto. Before I ever went low carb, I used to love to make mushroom risotto. So a few years ago I started trying it with cauliflower rice, and to my surprise it was just as good as the original. We make it all the time now. Let me show you how it's done. Start by melting 4 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet set over medium heat. Once the butter is nice and hot, add 8 ounces of chopped mushrooms. Then add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté until the mushrooms are tender and just turning golden brown. Then season with some salt and some pepper. Reduce the heat to medium-low and add 12 ounces of riced cauliflower. It can be fresh or frozen, it really doesn't matter. Toss the cauliflower to coat in the butter. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of dry white wine. Continue to cook the cauliflower until the wine has evaporated. Now you're going to add chicken broth, a tablespoon or 2 at a time, stirring and allowing it to evaporate each time between. You're only really going to add about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of broth. Once the cauliflower is becoming tender, add a little more broth and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Cover with a lid and continue to cook until tender, adding a little more cream or broth if you need to. Finally, add 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan and stir it in until the cauliflower risotto is nice and thickened. And that, my friends, is how you make cauliflower mushroom risotto. You can pair it with just about anything. I love it with air fryer pork chops. Now let's give it a taste. That is so good. You're gonna love it. Give it a try. It's like a party in your mouth. For this delicious keto side dish and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com. And there you go, guys. That's how you make cauliflower mushroom risotto. It goes with just about everything. Here, I've got it paired with one of my favorites, air fryer pork chops. Let's give it a taste.
Let's keep it.
Oh, I don't know whose hair that is, but it ain't mine.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, it's gotta be Celia's. Okay, we're trying that again. The minute I put it in my mouth, I was like, oh my God. I thought it was a taco hair.
Sure.
I need to give in some of these clips because they'll be hilarious.
Exactly.
Okay, let's try that again without the hair.